Good morning, people. Welcome back. It has been far too long. You're probably all wondering why has he gone back to crystal clear revs, and the simple answer is basically I think I've got a bit of a screw loose. So if none of you don't know, I changed my channel to be like a moto vlog style type channel, but do you know what, I'm actually quite missing doing the window cleaning stuff. So do you know what, I think I'm just gonna keep my channel as crystal clear revs, because that is quite a broad term. I think, you know, crystal clear, cleaning windows, cleaning stuff, and the revs being like vehicles and stuff. So I'm going to keep it as that. But yeah, I mean, the weather isn't great today, so I probably won't be able to get much. Sorry, I'm just filling up the water tank, so I don't think I'll be able to get much vlogging done. But I have redone the back of my van. I've added in a new tank. That's about it. But I'd like to do a bit of a van tour on that today instead. I'm out working with my good friend the Matt Daddy tomorrow, so I might be able to get some footage when I'm out with him. But if not, yeah, it'll just be a van tour today. But yeah, I'm just waiting for the water to fill up now. Oh, we're about full. We're about full. Does anybody else feel like, do you know when you're doing two things at the same time and you just forget, you don't know what you're doing? Oh my god, everything's... Right, just add a receipt. I've got to try and put the lid on to this one-handed. Yeah. There we go. I'm not sure how much work I'm going to be able to get done today, because this weather is absolutely astronomical. Right, let me know in the comments how you've been doing, how you've been keeping. It's been a while since I've done one of these vlogs. Oh, I need a sip of tea. Oh, right, I've got to drive, so I'm going to put the phone down, the camera down. But I'll catch you all in a minute, and we're going to do a little van tour, and I'll show you what I've been doing, and I'll keep up to date with you guys what's been going on in my life, because a lot has been going on. And yeah, we'll just have a catch up. We'll have a catch up, guys. I'll catch you all in a minute. Right, so I got all my work done today. I don't know what's been going on with the weather. It was absolutely chucking it down this morning, and then it was like blue skies, and then it started raining again, and then it's been blue skies, and now all these dark clouds have just started coming over. So I imagine it's going to start chucking it down again, so I'm going to quickly get this review done. But yeah, so van tour, I'll show you a quick clip of the inside. I don't know whether you guys have seen this yet before, but this is the inside. I'm not going to show you down there because it's just a mess. But yes, steering wheel. This obviously changes direction of the van. Does not really. This changes the gears. This lets you listen to beautiful music. Spare seat. Ignore my mess. Let's go look at the good stuff at the back. Whoa. Just in a lay-by close to where I've just finished my last job of the day. It's only like 2 o'clock, and just in a lay-by down the road. So here is the inside of the van. So I've opted for a flat tank now, so I can have a bit more storage on the top. Got my little Jenny over there and my trad bucket, but when I've got my gutter vacuum and stuff, when I'm doing gutters, the gutter vacuum can just literally sit on the top of this tank. I'm hoping to maybe block all of this tank off, so put a wooden board and then put like a shelf over the top of all of this, and then this hose reel is going to sit on top and come out of that door, and then I'm going to have this one facing this way and it'll come out of this door. I haven't secured anything down really yet. It's only been about a week since I've sorted all this out, hence all the wiring being all over the place. But yeah, I've just put both of the pumps on here for now. Yeah, so the pumps are on there. I'm not sure what to do with the pumps now. Big Lou at Pristine Clean has put his pumps and controllers in like a box, so you can take it in and out of the van, which I think is a brilliant idea. And he said that he can do it for me, but I'm just waiting to see. I'm not sure what to do yet. I think it would be a good idea, because then if anything goes wrong, I mean this is only ratchet strapped in anyway, so I can just undo the ratchet straps, put it into another van, ratchet strap it in, and then if these are in a box, I can just literally put them into the van, hook it all up. It'll be minutes, and then yeah, brushes sit here. I want to get some hooks on here just to sit the hoses, water fed poles, so I can put the water fed poles on. But yeah, and then I've just got the hose reels here, my little trad belt. Yeah, it's all just a bit of a mess at the minute. I'll show you around the side. I don't think there is anything around the side, but no ratchet strap. Just got my hose here which goes to the pumps down there. My little Phillip hole. Used quite a bit of water today. That was full to about that line there. So yeah, that's my little van tour of today. Do you know what? I never really take much notice when I'm driving down here, but this is quite a nice little. If you've got a dog, this would be quite a nice little walk. Black clouds. But yeah, I'm hoping to do so. Oh, let me jump in the van. I'm going to tell you about what's. So I told you this morning about I changed my channel to sort of like a motor vlog channel, and do you know what, with the weather being how it is at the minute, and I love making videos for YouTube, I really do, but I think it was the repetitiveness of window cleaning videos that was getting to me a bit. You know, there's only so many times you can clean the same window and film yourself cleaning that same window, and I wanted to move on to something that I quite enjoyed, and I do enjoy riding my motorbike, but at the minute with the weather it's not the best. But I've bought this new, don't know whether you can see it, this new mic now, so I can talk when I've got my helmet on, and it can hook up to my GoPro, so I can do like more motor vlog style things. I've got a few plans, some travel vlogs coming towards the end of this year. I'm doing a travel vlog because me and Kelly are getting married in September, and I'm going to do a travel vlog of our honeymoon. So that would be, and it's not, I don't think it's quite what anybody expects. A lot of people have said it's a brilliant idea, so you'll have to stick around to see that one. That would be quite an interesting series to film. It would be brilliant. And yeah, as far as I do like riding my motorbike, it's just the weather at the minute and time to get out and do things. I don't really work weekends anymore. I am working with Matt Grant tomorrow, the Matt Daddy. I'm working with him tomorrow on a Saturday, but just because there's nothing really I can do. Kelly's at work tomorrow, so I could just be at home bored on my own if I didn't do anything. So yeah, it'd be good to get out, and work with. I work most weekends with Matt Grant, to be fair, so that would be good. I'll ask him in the morning if it's all right to do some recording. I'll get some footage of us. I think we're just doing gutters tomorrow, so that would be good. But yeah, as far as everything else goes, just looking forward to. I don't want to get too into doing the same sort of things with what I was doing before, with the window cleaning and the gutter cleaning and stuff. I'd like to just mix everything in on the channel, so I've got a bit of everything, a bit of travelling. I think me and Kelly are going away at the end of this month for a week, so that would be a good chance to do some travel stuff. And then yeah, we've got our honeymoon in September and get some travel stuff going on there. And then we've got, yeah, we're going away at the end of this month. And then yeah, just like bitting and bobbing on my motorbike. I'd love to get some I want to do some motorbike reviews on the channel as well. I want to see if I can I've sent a few emails out to Triumph and Royal Enfield and the manufacturers. I'm just waiting to hear back, but hopefully I can get some reviews on the channel. That would be good. But yeah, apart from that, I'm just looking forward to making videos again. I feel like I'm in a better place this time for making videos, and yeah, I think it would be, I just don't want to get into a repetitive kind of mess. Don't really know how else to describe it, but I just don't want to get too repetitive again. And I think that's where my love of recording videos and my work was starting to come from. It was really starting to make me hate work, to be honest, because it's and I'm trying to record and think of new content to do, and there isn't anything really for window cleaning that you can do. I mean, there's only so many windows you can record yourself cleaning, but I'd like to do more of this, more talking. I want to do more travelling. I want to get some motorbike reviews on the channel. I want to ride my motorbike, get that on the channel. Working with Matt Grant, and we always have a laugh together, me and Matt, so that would be good. But yeah, as for that, you know, I hope you guys are doing well. I don't know if any of my subscribers have left me since I said that I wasn't going to do window cleaning videos, but yeah, stick around because I'm going to do some. I'm just going to mix everything in. So catch you all in the next one. Peace out, guys.